In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize client cards in Close CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable creating custom object types and using them effectively to streamline your workflow. This is especially useful if you're dealing with specific data characteristics that are unique to your industry, such as real estate properties or specialized product lines. Now, let's dive right in. First, we'll focus on creating the custom object type. To get started, navigate to the Settings area found at the top of your Close CRM dashboard. Once you're in the settings, click on Customizations, then select Custom Objects. This is where you can define a new custom object type that suits your needs. For instance, if you're in real estate, you might want to name your custom object type something like Real Estate Property. After selecting a suitable name, you'll need to define the unique custom fields relevant to your object. These could include specific attributes like square footage, address, and year built. Think of these custom fields as data points that help you capture and organize the specific information you need in a structured format. Next, let's talk about logging an instance, which means creating an actual, individual example of the custom object you've just defined. Go to any Leads page in Close CRM. Here you'll find the custom object type you created displayed on the left sidebar. Clicking on the plus sign next to it enables you to create a new instance. As you fill in the specific fields, be sure to input accurate and thorough data so that your custom objects bring value and clarity to your leads. This could be entering details like the precise address and square footage as soon as you gather that information. Finally, let's discuss the card view, which is essentially how this data will manifest visually on your lead pages. Each instance you create acts like its own separate, structured data card within the left sidebar of a lead's profile. This makes it incredibly easy to glance at and access crucial information without having to sift through pages and pages of unrelated data. You'll find that having these customized cards streamlined right where you need them enhances not just the organization of data, but also your overall efficiency when working through leads. By following these steps, you're not just customizing client cards, you're tailoring Close CRM to meet your specific organizational needs. This sets a foundation for improved data management and enhances your ability to provide personalized services tailored to each client's unique profile. I hope this step-by-step guide helps make your CRM experience more efficient and ultimately more rewarding. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.